Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from DijsU University, and in today's video, we are going to define native advertising. Guys, it's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we go into today's video, please support this small channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, as well as the like button for this video. Only if you like the video, guys, and only at the end of the video, not now. And do not forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos as well. So let's begin, shall we?
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hello everybody, welcome to today's video, guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about defining native advertising, guys. So actually a lot of people actually ask me this question. You talk about native ads and then you talk about native advertising. What is the difference between native ads and native advertising, guys? So I'm not a very pro guy in English or whatsoever. I don't know how these grammars, these pronouns and all this kind of stuff works. I only know how to converse in English, guys. So the thing about native ads is that you're letting people know what is actually native ad, what type of forms they will actually come in, why you actually need to use native ads, and all this kind of stuff is what will be covered when we talk about native ads. But when we talk about native advertising, on the other hand, it comes in a whole different picture. What type of picture? You are going to promote your native ads. So when we talk about native advertising, it comes in a picture of how do you actually do native advertising, why do you actually do native advertising, what is the key difference between native advertising compared to other form of advertising, guys. So that's the thing that we need to talk about today, and that's the thing that we will be talking about when we talk about native ads as well, native advertising as well. So the first thing is that we want to tell you why you should actually use native ad compared to a normal ad, especially if you are an affiliate marketer, because it has been proven in a research that native ads actually provides or increase your purchase intent much more faster compared to your normal traditional banner ads, push ads and all this has been proven in research, which means that if somebody sees a native as, right, literally there's a much more higher chances that they will go ahead and purchase that item compared to them actually seeing a particular push ads or anything like that. So that's the basic stuff about native ads. So you as an affiliate marketer, you will not have your own brand or something like that. You will be promoting an offer. So let's say you're promoting an offer in ClickBank, right? Let's say we go to ClickBank, you're promoting this particular offer. So this particular offer is research, right? So you can actually see this is like one bottle 30-day supplement $49 and 30 all these kind of stuffs, you know how much it is. So if you actually take a look at this particular thing, these are people, if you do a native ads, for example, you want people to actually go ahead and purchase this, right? And like I told you, the research actually says that this particular native ads, if done properly, will increase your purchase intent compared to your other traditional ads. So therefore, if you do this particular research ads properly, there is a high chance that people will actually go ahead and buy this. So if people actually buy this, you will get your commission. I don't know how much is the commission for this particular offer, they have not stated this, but then you will get your particular commission, usually 75% or something like that, guys. So you can actually see average order average percentage of sale is 73%. So you can actually see that you will be actually making money, which means that your purchase intent is actually your conversion rate as well. So that's one of the major reason why you should use native advertising in the first place. Now comes the $1,000,000 question. How do you use native advertising? So to use native advertising, you will be needing few important tools. So the important tools that you will be needing is that definitely you will be needing an affiliate network. This is because, like I told you, you're not a brand, you're not Amazon, right? Amazon can actually use native ads to promote their brand, but what brand are you going to promote? If you have a brand, then you can actually go ahead and promote that brand, but now you do not have a brand, so you're going to promote an offer. But where do you find this offer? So you know what is actually an affiliate network, right? And an affiliate network is actually a middleman who actually brings you all these offers. Some people actually say, hey, actually, I don't need an affiliate network. I can straight away go ahead and promote these offers myself. That's great. You know, only super affiliate will have that privilege actually, because they have been doing this for quite some time. So they know their owners, so they can actually link to their owner themselves and they can talk, hey, I'm going to promote this myself. Don't put this on ClickBank and all this kind of stuff. They can actually do that because they do been doing this for quite some time and they can actually bring a lot of traffic. But if you say you can actually do that as well, that is actually a huge news. That's actually a great news. If you can actually bypass marketplaces like or you can bypass affiliate network, that's great. But not a lot of people can actually do that. Some people can't even actually get access to proper affiliate networks like Max Bounty, Big Bang Ads, and all that. That's the main reason why we actually recommend ClickBank, because ClickBank is actually very beginner friendly and it's really easy to actually get access to ClickBank. So once you have already gotten access to ClickBank, right, you can actually go ahead and choose your offer. So once you have actually choose your offer, you want to promote this offer, you will get something which we call as affiliate link. And this affiliate link is what you are going to promote. You know, we need to promote a brand, right? But you're promoting this particular product and you're going to use native ads as your traffic source, guys. So that's the first thing that you'll be needing. So the second tool that you'll be needing is volume tracker. So volume tracker is actually an external tracker. So there's like a lot of external tracker there, but volume itself, they are really crazy. You can actually see they have actually won the award of best tracker 2019. They're really crazy, guys. I'm not gonna boost about volume here. You can actually go ahead and check about volume yourself, how performance they are. But the reason I'm going to talk to you today is that why you need to use volume. Because when you come to this media buying business in general, right, data is everything. Without data, you're zero. With data, you're the king. You can optimize easier, you can scale easier, you will know which is working, which is not working, and all this kind of stuff is only possible with data. So we need something that actually collects your data, and that is why we actually use volume tracker. If you've seen my previous videos, I've actually showed you live build on actually how to use volume tracker, how to set it up with your affiliate network, with your traffic source, and all this kind of stuff, which is really great. So if you want to use volume tracker, the link to volume tracker is actually in the description of this video only, so you can actually go ahead and grab it. So the next tool that we'll be using is Landrise. Landrise is the page, actually a landing page builder specially catered for affiliate pages and affiliate marketers. Guys. So what you're gonna do with Landrise is that first, let's give this example. If you are running a native ads, right? From your native ads, you want people to buy something, so straight away you lead them to the offer page here, right? Mostly people will be like, hey, what is that native ads? And suddenly offer page, most of them will not buy. And that's the major reason why we actually create a landing page. Landing page is like the process in between the ads to the offer page. There's something called landing page. What's the purpose of landing page is that you need to warm up your audience, you want to engage your audience, you want to make sure that the audience is actually prepared for the conversion. And also the main thing is that you only want to bring high quality audience to your offer page, so that you will have a much more higher chances of conversion, rather than bringing every Tom, Dick, and Harry into the offer page and you will not get a proper conversion rate, guys. So that's the main reason why we actually use landing page. And let me also let you know that a landing page is not something very compulsory to use in native advertising, but we would highly recommend you to use it, and we will highly recommend you not to go against not using it, guys. So that's another tool that we'll be using. And the final tool that we'll be, the second final tool that we will be using, actually final tool, this one is bonus. So the final tool that we'll be using is the graphic source, the native advertising platform. So there's like a lot of native advertising platforms out there, guys. Outbrain, MGID, Tabula, Rave Content, and all this kind of stuff, guys. So each of them has their own pros and cons, guys. But this is where you can actually go ahead and purchase that particular native traffic for your particular offer. So what happens is that you go here, you create a campaign, you're going to buy traffic, you're going to lead that traffic into your landerized landing pages, and then from your landing pages you're going to warm up the audience, you're going to engage the audience, and then you're going to lead them to the offer page itself. And here what's going to happen is they're going to convert and they're going to buy the things from the merchant, they're going to pay the merchant, and the merchant is going to pay you commission. So this is basically the flow of native advertising, guys. So there's another tool which we call as Anthrax. This is actually a spy tool. We highly recommend you to use spy tool, guys. So if you want to use Untrack, the link is actually in the description below as well, so you can actually go ahead and grab and use it. I really recommend you to use spy tool. If you see my live builds, you will know that how easy it is to use spy tool and how convenient it can actually help you to find a good creatives, find you a good title, and all this kind of stuff, guys. So if you can afford it, make sure you use the spy tool, guys. So that's about it from me from today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. On top of that, I really hope that you will take action after seeing this video. So whatever tools that we talk about today, like volume, landerize, and Anthrax, the link is actually in the description of this video. And for landerize, there's actually a special link which offers you a free 14 days free trial for landerize as well. And there's also another link for DijsU Forum. DijsU Forum is the community where affiliate marketers come from all over the world together to build a community, to share around, to help each other succeed together, guys. So beautiful community, guys. Do check them out as well. So before I go, just a small request from you, please help our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Good luck till then. Tada, bye bye.